My beautiful and amazing people, hey, hey, where una dey? Make una come out to make una come hear matter. Wonders they say it shall never end. Tori don war. Hey, hey. See person wey lose election, wey suppose dey sober or look for wetin im go do. Even though im don dey drag the matter of the election legelege like I pass my neighbor generator saying that they don do partial for the voting site. Say na lie, na dem dey lie on top of im head say im candidates are more than the numbers wey dem talk. Say na im, in short, na im even win the election, no be Okowa. Im come dey bring out figures, different figures out to say so place 1,100 and so place 2,000 this one that one e dey bring out figures wey nobody know, whereas the one wey circulate the media space wey everybody dey aware of, they dey see am korokoro say Ipa people na 3, while Okowa people are uncountable, wey make dem even dey tell Ipa say make im try all im best. Those set of people wey, the 3 people wey identify with am, make im make sure say im settle them well o. Na the one wey we see for the Obasanjo media space na we go believe, na no be the one wey dem do behind closed doors. So like this, im don start o. The same thing wey im dey do to their Regina Daniel family, wey im dey send to arrest them, to petition them, to do this, to do that. E don start am for election matter o. Everybody do their own. They give them results, everybody enter house. E reach Ipa turn, e say e no gree, say na lie, they do partial. APC to APC, they don dey do partial again. Una know say Okowa also be APC member. Ipa too na APC. So APC to APC, they don dey do partial for their self o. So the matter now, no be even that one o. I just say make I give una breakdown of this matter wey dey ground. Una know say inside day before yesterday, na im they see Regina Daniel with the most richest billionaire in the whole Nigeria, the most richest billionaire, oil mogul, Prince Arthur Eze. Prince Arthur Eze, they say he get filling station, oil petroleum station, wey be say e dey supply as e dey hot. And una know what that means for somebody to get private station. And they say the man is known for his generosity, and im money no be here own. Im money, Ipa no fit even do talk pen for where that man money dey. Im money long from here to Jamaica. Now wey e come dey circulate say Regina Daniel and the man, even though Regina never come out come talk say she and the man they have something in common. She have not said anything of such. But people now come dey speculate say for the fact say Regina Daniel go dey hail the man, snap picture with the man, do video with the man, they call am Oga India Oga, which is Oga of them all, Oga wey pass Oga. They can also see am for outing with the man for car station, as in for where they sell luxury cars. Where people can conclude within themselves say, Omo, all these cars where Regina Daniel buy, 4 of them during this time, within the space of 2 weeks, she don't buy car berekete. Buy 1 for herself, 2 for her mama, 1 for her sister, Destiny. Say, Omo, na this man, I dey fund her lifestyle. Oh, Omo, no be small thing, oh. Prince Arthur Eze, Omo, that man, na real Odogo, na real billionaire mogul, na im be. Now, where they talk that one, they go. Now they say, Ipa leave election where he lose, carry the frustration, won't go put am for this man head. Oh. Hey, he go confront this man. They tell the man, say, after he called the man say, okay. He introduced himself. He say, okay. He say, he just won't come let the man know, say, in they see some kind pictures, they circulate the media space between him and Regina Daniel, that he don't want to believe that Regina Daniel, he go dey date Regina Daniel, or he go get anything to do with her, because he's just like a father to Regina Daniel. Now the man say, he said, then why are you now calling me if I am like a father to her? Okay, you are like a brother to her, Abi. Now he say, no, say, he just won't believe, say, nothing join them. Maybe as a billionaire, we also be philanthropy, we be say he's a good person. They know him for his generosity. Let's just assume, say, he's just come, she come to him, maybe for a favor or something. Say, but he won't let her know, to say, if he get her for mind, say, he won't marry the Regina Daniel, make him know talk say or he won't date her, make him dey extra careful because he get some kind things and things wey him do for them in wife's head wey be say if dem Nakademus another man, something drastic go happen o, no be dem gbangangan na the thing go happen to. The man go collect him own share before dem dey go collect their own share. Say the only person wey he no do that thing for him head na him first wife. I am like, come on. As I hear this information, I say, if this information is correct, now be say, Ipa don kolo mental so. What if in the craze we no know? Because I don't understand. On a normal day, on a normal time, are we not supposed to carry this man and go and keep him in rehab? Because make it make sense. The same you wey talk say Regina Daniel don go Nakademus another man, don go carry belle for outside allegedly, give you pikin wey no resemble you, wey fat different, wey short different, wey black different, wey face dey different. All of a sudden in Nakademus the man no kpai, the Regina Daniel nothing do her. All of a sudden now you don see her with the billionaire mogul Prince Arthur Eze. You don come stand on your full chest, dey tell the man say make him dey careful, say because you don do some kind things and things on top of Regina Daniel head, make him no think say na easy way wey him go use him head take pack wetin no good. Say you just say you wan come advise am. Who are you to advise the man? I dey say the man tell am say nothing like that o. Say make him rest. The last time he checked, that Regina Daniel and her family specifically told him that they are no longer together. Now he say na lie they lie, that he has not collected bride price from them and that he will never collect bride price from any of his wives. That if he say he no dey interested, the both of them need to agree that him is not in agreement with Regina Daniel and whatever it is wey her family dey talk. So for that reason, he no dey collect bride price. Say even when in wife Leila travel, when the wife then get misunderstanding, she go, they no return bride price. Now she by herself return back. So he no collect bride price because he still believe that she will return back to him. So if the man know wetin good for am, say he like am because he know say the man na real philanthropy, the man na good person, and the man na multi-billionaire like am. So he no want make anything evil happen to the man. Make him dey extra careful, and that is the essence why he is even communicating with the man, not for anything. Now the man come tell am say he no want him advice, he no want anything from am. Make him forget that matter wey in the drag dey go, make him enter house. Say no be everything na him elderly man dey come talk. E get some kind things wey an elder go see, go comot eye. No be everything na person dey see wey e dey talk. Omo, they say the man scatter the table for Ipa handle. Hey, Prince Arthur Eze too get bad mouth on a normal day. He scatter the table for him. He say make him forget every talk and make him enter house. Say he is not interested in Regina Daniel. And even because of this talk wey in the talk now, him go look for person wey him go carry Regina give, that she is a good girl, that ever since he came encounter with her, he has not seen anything wrong with her. With all the things wey he don't talk on top of the girl head, he no see anything wey dey wrong with the girl at all. That she is a good, respectful girl and she's doing well for herself. So for that reason, why is he spoiling her? Why is he spoiling her name? Making her look as if she's a bad person or she is that bad to the extent where we say people no go want meet her, or they no go want get anything to do with her. So if he get anything wey he won't even give the girl now, so he go come take on spoil the girl for where in dey, say make him repent. What if the girl na him daughter? So is that what he would do? Or if dem do am to his own daughter, these things wey they do to Regina Daniel, will he be happy? Say abeg, may Ipa stop this attitude. It's not good. That for record purpose, in senior Ipa, and not only senior, Ipa no be in level, he no be in mate. So him go advise am as an elder brother. Say he should stop this attitude of coming to destroy the girl's name, spoil her reputation for where people dey. For how long will him go continue to dey do this kind of thing? That even if the girl dey under oath, she dey under whatever wey she dey under, you should allow the girl to tell people, to tell the person say, because the girl no go want anybody wey she like, make he come do that kind of thing with her, make the person come kpai put now. So he should allow the girl to talk, not him going to call the person, say in dey ridicule himself and making himself look somehow in the presence of people. Because anybody wey don too dey do nanachi, as in they too dey talk on a particular thing like this, they stand on a thing like this, that person a bad person. Say make him change so that him go fit get peace with himself. Say it's an advice from an elder. Say if he no advise am, nobody go advise am. Omo, they say if our body weak, as the man take talk to am, like he talk to am well on a normal day, he no believe say the man go respond to am like this. He say maybe na elder wey no dey talk, or the man go dey intimidated, or the man go come dey fear say see wetin him talk. Na lie o, the man put am for him body woto woto, put am give am where exactly how he take deserve am, na him the man take give am. Omo, I say this matter e sweet me for my body o. Person never tell you say you dey date person, you don tear race go because of say you don dey see pictures dey fly, you don dey because Regina Daniel come out come praise the man, come post picture, you don tear race go dey call the man. Make it make sense. Why they no go talk to you anyhow? Instead of you to concentrate on the election wey you lose, you dey go find wetin no loss. Abi my people, shebi the response wey Prince Arthur Eze give this man Ipa, it makes sense. Abi even him, he overreacted. Make una come, make we interact for the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendation. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist. I'm the bring una later. See you guys in my next upload. Bye.